All right, so we're back, and it has been a minute since the last video, but we have been very busy in the shop, and it's hard for me sometimes to get those videos in. But we are today going to be talking about spray guns. There's a lot of new companies out there that are making guns. Are those guns as good as the old school guns? Years ago, there was only a couple of brands that had spray guns. I think all these new guns are a good thing for us painters because it is going to keep everybody trying to make a better gun. So we've got two big jobs that we are going to be spraying today, and we happen to had a new gun sent out to us that we are going to be testing out. These are a new company in the industry, and we're going to test them out on this black Tesla as well as a full load that we have in here on a Honda. So I like having new guns. I like testing them out. We've talked about that before. And we're gonna try it out on two big jobs and see what this new gun can do from Porphis. So we've got everything now sealed and based, and we sealed that one with the LS 400 Series 2. That is the gun that I prefer for my sealer. And then I'm using the 3M gun. That is what I've been using for years and years with many paint lines because of how easy it is to clean it. You're able to change out the heads. And with being in a production shop, that comes in very, very handy because you don't have time to really spend cleaning guns when you've got multiple colors in the booth and you're trying to get through those jobs. So when I was telling you guys earlier about how it's cool when there's new companies making guns is because it puts competition out there between the companies to try to outdo each other and make a better product. And this is one cool thing that they did send with that gun to show you the inside of that gun, how it's made, because now they're trying to actually do the same thing that Segola is doing without using O-rings in that gun, which will hopefully make it last longer. To me, I really haven't had any guns need a rebuild in very, very long time. So I don't know how that is gonna really change anything for me. I'm more looking for a gun that is gonna spray a flat coat, like the Luma, like the Iwata, and the DV1. That's another gun that I love. So we're gonna unbox this gun. I'll show it to you quick, and we're gonna get in there and clear it because they only gave me one PPS cup because they're using the old setup from 3M, the one that everybody now is selling, because they do not have that patent on it anymore. They went ahead and made a new one. So let's get it out of the box. We'll look at it quick, and then we're gonna load it up and we're gonna give it our review after we get it all cleared up. So that's one coat, and I'm not gonna lie to you, the gun is spraying very, very well. That is an older vehicle with some previous damage on it, and we are gonna be getting in there now and hitting it on that Tesla, which is black, and that's gonna give us the true reflection that we wanna see on how nice this gun is actually laying out. So far, I'm very surprised, but I have used the Porphis guns before in the past, and they did not disappoint me. They were very nice guns, but it's been a long time since I've sprayed them. This one here seems to be a little bit slower, which is more towards what I like to spray. I don't like guns that hose on the material. I like to be able to apply it the way that I want it to look and not have to worry about something going wrong. So let's go ahead, hit the black one, and that's gonna really give us a nice test on this gun. All right, so that is why I like competition. That thing came out very, very nice. Am I gonna compare it to my Luma or my Iwata Series 2? I don't think it quite breaks it up as fine. Yes, it does spray it very nicely, but it to me puts down a thicker coat. Being it's that high transfer efficiency, it doesn't put down quite as flat as I like, but it definitely laid down a beautiful paint job. We can't deny that at all. And what I mean about competition, whenever I was in shops through the years and I had guys that were better than me when I was learning, or we were on the same level, we pushed each other because of the competition. It drives you to do better work in the shop. Even with the body men, when they do a nice job with their welds and their Bondo, we like to do a really nice job with our paint job. That way we can give them back the same quality that they're giving us, so that that is a high quality standard. So I think these guns are not quite on the level, obviously, as these top tier guns that I'm talking about, but they are definitely chasing the competition. And who knows, in a couple of years, they may be right there with them. So don't sleep on the smaller companies. They're definitely improving. And you guys seen it here, that Porphis gun definitely lays down a nice coat. So I hope you guys liked it, and we'll see you guys on the next one.